Hi, so you've joined me here in my kitchen, and what I'm going to do is show you the power of our window cloth. So what we have right here is a mirror covered in butter. What a greasy mess. So what I'm going to do is use the power of some water and our window cloth to get rid of this greasy mess. So what you will need to do first is take the spray bottle and just spritz the greasy mess with water. And then we're going to take our window cloth here and just gently wipe the surface. So if this is a mirror in your home, I know my mirrors are sometimes splattered with, let's say, toothpaste. So this would work beautifully on that surface. If it's a window, you can do the exact same thing. You don't need any paper towels. You don't need any glass cleaner. This is all you'll need to give your windows or mirrors a streak-free and shiny surface every time. And what I also love about this is that you don't get any of those paper towel fluzzies left behind either. Your surfaces will be streak-free and shiny every time. Isn't that beautiful?